what I think I'm gonna do first is my hair. I'm no longer filming that hair video tester thingy. So, I don't know, I'm really tired. So I don't want to do anything, but today, or at least in this video, we're going to be doing some Valentine's Day decorating. I'm gonna do my nails, but I also, like today and tomorrow maybe, I have a couple videos to film that are sponsored and I'm so excited. I'm working with brands. Ah!
Come on, Daisy, show your face. Welcome to our ocean hiding place.
Okay, so I just finished the Temu video and I filmed a little outro for my hair styler video, and I'm going to upload that right now so it can start getting edited by my editor. Okay, I've decided on what I want to do, and I'm going to do my Valentine's Day nails now. So, or at least start it. So I'm gonna take, and I'm like, ugh, the sun's in my face. I'm gonna take this polish off, and then we're gonna do nails. And here is the design I'm gonna attempt to do. It's pretty simple, but I will probably find a way to mess it up. But this right here, like the pinky kind of nude color with black hearts, we're gonna try to pull it off. If it goes terribly, then we'll just take off polish and put red on or something. I don't know, we'll see. But right now, we're going to remove this gel polish. Okay, a lot of time has passed, but this is like the first time I've ever really been proud of how my nails have turned out. Oh my goodness, I still have like fuzz. But these are the Valentine's Day nails. I think they worked out excellent. And this is the best that I've done so far with putting on these Gel X extensions. Like, I'm still not perfect at it, believe you me, but this is the best I've done so far. So I am so happy. I think they turned out cute. I mean, if you look too closely, the hearts are wonky, but the fact that they're kind of spread out and small, you can't tell. So that's what I'm talking about. See, I wanted to decorate for Valentine's Day today. I have most of the stuff I need, but not all of it, because I have like 2 or 3 things coming in from Temu and it's not here yet. So I'm not going to finish this video till I get that in, and then we'll decorate for Valentine's Day. But until then, we're just going to keep going through our daily routine, trying to get these weekly non-negotiables checked off the list. So this is a big one. And I'm actually pretty thirsty, so I think I'll be able to get this done today. Okay, let's get some work done. It's now Monday. The last clip was Saturday. I meant to film some yesterday, but I didn't. I am going to work out. My normal workout schedule is Tuesdays, Thursdays, and Saturdays, but both Saturday and Sunday I forgot to work out until it was like really late, and I was like, oh crap, I didn't work out today, so I just didn't. But I'm going to today and tomorrow. I'm freezing, but I just have to tell myself it's okay, you're only gonna be cold for a couple minutes, because then the workout starts and you're gonna get warm. So let's change into some cute activewear. Okay, so I picked out this top, which was from Shein. It's from their Glow Mode line. It's super soft and buttery, super cute. And then these leggings here, which I honestly have no idea where they're from. Probably Shein, I think. But they're just basic black with the booty scrunch. I love a good booty scrunch. It's just very flattering. Anyways, I'm gonna put this on. Ready? I don't think that was as flawless as I was hoping, but you get the gist. Okay, so here's the little workout OOTD. Let's go fill the water bottle and do a quick little 20-minute glute and leg workout. So 2 things. 1, this is my second cup of this, so I just have to get through this and I've made my goal for the day, so we're gonna make it. And then secondly, I like to look up my workouts on the tablet and have it sitting here. It's just easier than the phone. And yeah, so let's look it up. This was 30 minutes. Let's just do it, okay? I always forget. Like, after I work out, I want to have my protein drink. Let's go make it. It looks awful. It's dirty. I'm talking quiet because I don't know where my dad is. Shh. I think he's outside. Okay, so you've never had it before. This is what it is. It's from Healthwise Wild Berry Fruit Drink. It has 70 calories, 1 carb, no added sugars, and 15 grams of protein. That's what I'm talking about. It actually tastes good. So, I'm gonna pack it like this. And I like to get me a clear cup because it's prettier. Hello. Hair looks like disgusting, dirty crap. Anyways, I like to use this because it's clear and hello, beautiful Ariel. So I put this in it. Hi.
Oh, excuse me.
I figured, say hi.
Hi.
Baby! I just worked out, now I'm making my protein drink.
You need to cut which way
Okay.
you be in here.
Oh no, you'll be in it.
Bet it is.
Ah. Ah, pretty. Okay, I think I'm gonna work on my budget a little bit. Something, I don't know. And we'll be back. Hopefully, the next time you see me, we are working on Valentine's Day decor. It's like Saturday again, but I finally can decorate for Valentine's Day. Now, I don't have like a ton of stuff, but just a few little things here and there just to spruce it up a bit. That's what we're doing. So let's just get into it. Okay, I'm gonna work on this. I don't have a plan for it yet, but that's okay. We're just going to use some of the stuff we got and see how it goes. Okay, I'm gonna leave this. I don't know if I'll eventually take it down, but for now I'm gonna leave it. I got this from TJ Maxx. Or no, I think I got it from Home Goods, but you know, same thing. How cute is it? Ah! This is like a little flocked pink house. It's so cute. I got it from Walmart, believe it or not. So this, this I also got from Walmart. It's also like flocked in the front. This little thing here I got from Temu. It's just like, you know, the beads you lay around, but it has little hearts on it. How cute. I don't know what to do with it yet. I know you can't see, but it's not great yet, so just bear with me. And this from Temu as well. It's a little balloon dog. I thought it was going to be bigger, but it's okay. We will find a spot for him. I'm struggling. Like, I don't quite have enough to like go all out, so it's more like just adding things here and there, you know? It might go somewhere else, we'll see. I got this from Walmart as well, just a little ooh la la. I don't know where I want it yet. Like, I don't want a bunch of pink, I want to kind of spread it out, you know, but that's too much. Okay, I got this candle from Home Goods. It's pretty coconut wax blend, orange blossom, peach. Just, oh, it smells so good. It's a perfect little Valentine's Day candle, but also just good for spring because it's a nice pastel color. So this is going to be the new candle that we're going to melt. I need to take this other one off. It's already melted a little bit, but that's okay. I don't want to ruin my nails. I'll just do it at the end of the time. Like, I wish you guys could smell this. It smells so nice and fresh. Pretty. Thinking of putting this up here. And I got this from Temu to go inside of it. Oh my gosh, I love it. Look at that. That is so cute. Now, this other stuff I don't know, but it's just there for now. But look how adorable. Oh my gosh. And this was like really cheap. It was like maybe $1 or something. I don't even know. All right, we're almost done, but not quite. Let's see. Over here, my room's not completely clean. Okay, I got this little candle from Target. Also smells really, really good. I want that to sit there. And then I planned on getting candy, but I don't have any yet, so I might have another idea for this. Oh, hold on. This, I think, maybe over here. Is that too much? I think Valentine's Day in general is too much. So down here, I was going to have this heart dish out with like some candy, but maybe now I'll do something like this. I don't know. What do you think? Kind of weird. Okay, and then I have these little trees I also got from Target. I don't know what to do except just put them around randomly. This is gonna get better in the future. I will have more things. And this is my favorite. I don't know yet how it's going to look, but hopefully it will look good. And I'm planning on keeping this around for like all of spring. Excuse the mess on the bed, okay? Put these somewhere. This got from Home Goods. First of all, it is so comfortable and soft. Oh, like it's very different than what I usually have, but it's a nice little change, I think. And then, again, sorry for the mess. Hold on though, like, do we want this still? Let's see. I don't know. You tell me in the comments if we need to leave that or not, but we're taking this off. The last little thing we need to do is change the letter board because we need something Valentine's Day-y. Let's get to it.
David? David, is that
I came all this way tonight. I'm so far from home. All the rumors true, the vibes I just had to know. 'Cause I had
Light the candle, shall we? So let me go over how the week went as far as my goals with the non-negotiables and everything. So I did my 2 liters of water every day. I'm so happy. And okay, so I looked it up because I got a comment, this one here, saying that tea and stuff like that actually can count towards your water goal. I looked it up and this article right here says yes, it does. And because I don't like have highly caffeinated, I might even drink decaf, I don't know, it does count. So I'm still gonna try to fill that thing up twice and drink it all, but even if I don't, the tea I drink throughout the day helps, and I do drink a decent amount of tea throughout the day. So I hit the 2 liter of water goal every day. I prayed every day. I didn't hit 8,000 steps once. I went to sleep by 9 p.m. all but one day, so I didn't hit that goal, unfortunately. I did the new thing that I tried this past week was I went to a new church on Sunday just to test it out with my parents. So that was fun and a nice, good experience. I only worked out twice in that week, I believe, because I missed a day, and so that was a little bit of a fail, but you know, it is what it is. I did go over my budget, and I did go through emails and comments, and I did plan for the next week. So all in all, I did okay. I did pretty good. Like, I didn't get everything done, but I know I'm not going to be able to. So for what I have, it was good. Successful week, I'd say, but we can still do better. Next week, we will do our best to do better. Thank you so much for watching. I really hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and stay tuned for the next episode in our little series here, and I'll see you next time. Have a wonderful day.